you guys, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we have November's Globein and a few extra add-ons. So we're gonna get through everything in these two boxes here pretty quickly. Now, this is my last Globein for a little while. I have placed this subscription on hold only because it's, you know, it's expensive. It's $50, but you can get your first box for $10. This is one I really suggest as a gift, but it is a pricey, it's kind of expensive. But if you click on my link, then you could get it for less, but you do have to take out a 3-month subscription. But again, your first box would be $10. So, you know, it's a great gift, but it's a very special gift. It's a very nice gift to give somebody. I really enjoy this subscription service, but alas, it's one of those again that is pricey. And as you guys know, every year I kind of let boxes go to make room for new ones and different ones. So there you go. It's just not in my budget all the time to carry such expensive boxes all the time. Okay, so the cats are gonna come play with this paper that I throw on the floor. Now in this box, this add-on was their Christmas package, and I just thought it was so cute. So the first item in here is wrapping paper. Pretty wrapping paper. I like that, okay? All right, so there's that. And a sweet little angel ornament. That's lovely. Fair Trade Holiday, made by DZI Incorporated. Okay, she's very cute. And there's something in here. Oh yes, I remember now. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm so excited about this. Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? Look. Oh my goodness, I love the sparkle of this. Yes, this is definitely going on my fireplace. Look. Oh. I love that. And it's, you know, it's mirrored glass, and here is like a ceramic no, I think this is glass. Oh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. We'll put it here for safekeeping. That's not where it will stay. And then this is deliciously rich dark chocolate, 70% cocoa advent calendar. Awesome. Okay, good. So you'll see this in Vlogmas. Well, I may give this to my daughter-in-law. I may give it to my daughter. She loves dark chocolate, and I can't really eat what's in here, so we'll probably give it to her. We'll see. We'll see. You have to watch Vlogmas to find out. All right. And there's one last item in here. Oh, yes. You guys, look at that. Matches the cone over there, the Christmas tree cone. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love that. It's gold on the back, yes. You could hang this on your wall, you could use it on your table. Oh, it's gorgeous. There we go. Okay, so those were add-ons. It was a package. The whole thing was one package. It was the Christmas package. All right, so here is my November box. This is the snug box. Okay, the first item we have here is a sleep mask. All right, this is an eye mask. Say hello to Shabana. This is who makes the mask. Shabana is 36 years old and hails from a very conservative community in India. She is an expert in stitching and is mostly self-taught. Despite the fact that she is a woman in a conservative area, she has built herself up to become a successful entrepreneur and manages her own tailoring business in her community called Zara. That is awesome. That's awesome. So this is by her. Awesome. Okay, that's the first item. Ooh, this is very soft. Let's see. Ooh, there's a recipe in here for cinnamon biscuits with apple cider glaze and salted caramel hot chocolate. All right. Assorted hand crocheted headbands. No, this isn't a headband, it's a hat. So maybe it's the hat. Hand wash only. You know that delicious snuggly feeling of being under the covers on a cold early morning? Ever wish you could take that feeling with you throughout the day? Happily. When the head is snuggled, the whole body feels that way. Your new headband, oh so thick and soft, is just the ticket to feeling snuggalicious. So there you go. And this is from Uganda and Peru. Handmade in Uganda and Peru. So there you go. It's really nice. I like that. I like that a lot. This is hand signed, quality goods, crochetkids.org. Empowers people to rise above poverty by providing jobs, education, and mentorship. There we go. KK International. It's a nice soft mint green. That's very, very nice. Very, very nice. It's a longer one. So nice. Okay. And the next item in here is mint chip gelato. Dark chocolate with mint gelato. As long as this is gluten-free, I know my daughter-in-law will love this. She loves mint items. This is certified organic by CFOF. Well, there's nothing in here about this. This is just a chocolate that came in the box. It's a nice size chocolate, and if I could, I would be indulging in this right now. Okay. Everything comes very tightly, nicely packed to keep it from breaking. Look, okay, look at the two. These are two mugs. I love them. I love these hand-painted mugs. I always pick them up when we go to Mexico. I love them. This is one of the things I love the most about Globein is the pottery that you were able to pick up. I really like this. The ornate floral design of your new set of mugs is an aesthetic staple of Palestinian heritage, curlicuing its way through mosques, homes, and clothing for thousands of years. Shards of ancient pottery even bear floral patterns similar to their design. Ayad Natshe, connecting to his cultural roots through each tiny leaf he paints, provides deep personal satisfaction. So here's the gentleman who painted the mugs. Beautiful. Absolutely love that. Okay. And there's a couple of other items in here. Globein Maven magazine. Okay, so this is a magazine about Globein. There is a Maven community that you can join, a Facebook community. There we go. And then here is her Hebron glass. Okay. Okay, he's another painter. And then this is the option to give a $20 gift card for Globein. You can give the gift of a gift card for this subscription, which I think is awesome. That would be something somebody would sincerely appreciate. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's everything. I sincerely love this box. I truly do. And while I have to put it on hold for a little while, that doesn't mean it's going anywhere. So again, I'm gonna leave my link for you. It will get you your first box for $10, but you do have to take out a 3-month subscription for that, but I really recommend it. And then share your link with your friends, or go to the add-on shop, add some add-ons to your order as gifts. It's just a lovely, thoughtful items to give as gifts. And then when you share your code with them and they go and they subscribe, then you get a little credit yourself. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate it. Go check out Globein, and we will see you next time. Bye.